Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by preparing your HS70 Pro for first-time connection. Charge the headset for about 2 hours before first wireless use. While it charges, locate the included USB wireless adapter. Insert the USB wireless adapter into a USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port on your PC. Ensure the headset is powered off before inserting the adapter. After insertion, power on the HS70 Pro and confirm the 4 GHz indicator light is steady and active. Now configure your PC for optimal audio and microphone use. Open Windows Sound Settings and select HS70 Pro as the default playback device. Click Device Properties and then Additional Device Properties to open the Advanced tab. Set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz and 16-bit for balanced quality and low latency. Also set the HS70 Pro microphone as the default recording device to capture your voice clearly. If needed, disable Bluetooth pairing and rely. Finish by installing Corsair iCUE to unlock advanced features and updates. Download and install iCUE, then open the software and let it detect your HS70 Pro automatically. Use iCUE to update headset firmware and to adjust EQ presets for gaming or music. Enable surround modes if you want positional audio and adjust the mic side tone level to monitor your voice. Remember, you can use the 3.5mm jack as a wired backup when battery is low or to reduce wireless latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.